If you no longer use Keypirinha or you're planning a clean reinstall, uninstalling it only takes a few minutes. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to uninstall Keypirinha completely, including how to remove leftover files if you want a fresh start. Before uninstalling, make sure Keypirinha is completely closed. If it's still running in the background, open Task Manager, locate the Keypirinha process, and select End Task. If you installed the standard version of Keypirinha, open Settings, select Apps, then Installed Apps or Apps and Features, depending on your Windows version. Search for Keypirinha in the list of installed programs. Select Keypirinha and choose Uninstall. Follow the on-screen prompts until the process is complete. If you're using the portable version, simply delete the Keypirinha installation folder instead. If you want a completely clean removal, delete any remaining Keypirinha configuration files stored in your user profile. Keep in mind that doing this removes your saved settings, custom commands, bookmarks, and package configurations. Finally, restart your computer. So after Windows starts again, verify that Keypirinha no longer launches automatically and that all related shortcuts have been removed if you no longer need them. And that's how to uninstall Keypirinha. Whether you're removing it permanently or preparing for a fresh installation, these steps will help you complete the process cleanly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other Windows and Keypirinha tutorials.